All right, everyone, today is day 12. Can you see it? It is snowing. So, do I know what we're going to get into today? No. I love watching it. I know one thing for sure. Yesterday, I about wore myself out. But I did get a lot of stuff done. And I love seeing it. And I am so glad I don't got to get out in it. But guess who is out in it? They called his work off today. And what does he do? Let me get out and play. Alrighty. I see the birds. They're so pretty. They're eating the leftover corn that the deers didn't eat, which I'm very surprised. All right, so let's go in. Let's see what we're going to get into today. Okay, so this is only like 30 minutes from the last time. It's coming down. Awesome. It is so beautiful, so calming. Okay, let's get busy. Okay, so I didn't know what I was going to do today, but a sweet subscriber suggested that I needed to put one of these up. Let's see how that's going to work. I might have to, nope, let's see. Alrighty, so I think maybe I'll take these down. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand, because these are, to me, the most beautiful plates. And maybe I'll put these in the kitchen. Let me set those down very carefully. And maybe I can display those in the kitchen. Of course, I just said that. We'll put these back. Alrighty. Now, they're heavy. Now, absolutely beautiful. Come on, stay up there. Perfect. Love it. Let's see if I can do something where, let me move this jar to where it will prop up against there. And then I'll move this one in closer. Now, beautiful. Thank you so much. It's pretty. Okay. Is it crooked? Oops. I have my jacket on because it's so cold. Alrighty. Thanks so much. You guys are awesome. Alright, so let me take these, hopefully. Oh gosh. And I know. Because I noticed this morning that this was empty. So I thought, well, I could put those there. Nothing like being able to see. These are beautiful. And yes, it has 6 shelves. Alrighty. That's done. Now what else? Oh yeah, I know. I wanted to show you some of my favorite, I just went blank. Hold on. Okay, so the words were vignettes. We're in the little small bedroom, and this is one of my favorite ones. I love the old little bears. I believe that this small bedroom is one of my favorites. And I love this one up here. And I know, I have a bunch of little stuff. That picture, that was Todd's dad. I don't collect the old toys like I used to. I had to kind of tone it down a little bit. I was beginning to get a little bit out of hand there for a while. But that is one area that I really like. And my next area that I love is in my bedroom. Now, I don't know if it's because it's green, but I do have a lot here. Oh, and that one. This one, look at this. It's a heart. Now, I still think she looks like G.E. I'm telling you guys, if you get a chance, go over there and check her channel out. She is a sweetheart. But I love all the little stuff. Now, this guy, he's going to go to the junk hunt. And he's going to go to the junk hunt. I purchased them for that, but instead of it being put out into the garage, I thought I would bring them in here. And I believe this shoe is going. But I don't know. I don't know what it is about this one cabinet I just truly love. And that's an old purse that you can just attach a picture on it. And that was my mom. So that's one of my favorite areas. And that piece of furniture is in 2 pieces. Thank goodness. And this is one of my favorite areas. This is in the hall bathroom. And I don't know what it is about this one little cabinet, but it is definitely, it was so much fun to look for all those tins and the advertising. And it either has blue, tan. There was one that had a little bit of red. I truly love that. But do you see that? Do you know what that is? I don't even know if I can get it apart. Oh, look, it's lipstick. I remember those. Oh my goodness. How fun. Oh me. And I love the old little clocks. That one has blue on it. That is one of my favorite things. Love it. I don't know if it's because there's a lot in one small area. I've got to think about what to put in that. Alrighty. This is one of my favorite spots. I don't know what it is about a cubby. There's even some things I have forgotten that I have purchased. And these are so pretty. See, they have a little latch on the side. And they're for pictures. Aren't they pretty? Look, see, even if they are, you know, torn. So pretty. Of course, I can't see it. There. Wait. Maybe it's because I forgot to put my glasses on again. They're pretty. And then, look at this. It is so small. The leather books are few and far apart, and they definitely cost. But look, the gold. I love things like that. All right, I think I have one more area that I want to show you. And yes, my laundry room is one of my favorite out of all of this house. Almost 4 years ago when we moved in, this is one room that has stayed the same. Of course, you know, I add things here and there, but I love washing clothes because I get to stand there and look at all the different things. Now, sometimes I'll change the clothes out, but I don't know. it is just something different in every little corner. And this was fun. Okay, we're back out on the back deck. This area is by far my favorite place. I mean, this area changes a lot. I still have my trees up, but that's okay. And I think I have figured it out. Standing here in the middle of this deck, it definitely feels like I'm in a snow globe. Absolutely beautiful. Alrighty, I'm still a little chilled, and I wear this one sometime as my house coat. Todd asked me, are you gonna take your jacket off? No, I like it. So I think I'm gonna sit here and watch the snow and get caught up on all of my YouTube friends out there. There's so much out there, so much. I could just keep scrolling and love it. So that is what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. And I set out some ground beef. I want some spaghetti. Yum. I wish I had garlic bread. I bet I could make my own garlic bread, couldn't I? Yeah, I am gonna Google that on YouTube. So thanks so much, guys, for watching. All your suggestions, thank you so much. So, did I say this was 12? I don't know, they're starting to run together. Yeah, 12. Man, I think it's 12. I don't know, I'll check. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next video.